Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be drawing the D-Rex versus the Giganotosaurus. So I'm going to be starting about right here. We're going to have the D-Rex's head. It's going to be coming up, like right here. And it's just going to come up like that. And then it's just going to come like this. So, just gonna be like that. Just need to thicken up these lines, and so now this part's just gonna come down. And like we're not gonna. I like these drawings where we're gonna have like the first Titan or the first dinosaur isn't roaring, but the second one is like roaring, but the other one isn't. I like those ones, so I'm gonna do that again. So just gonna come like up like that, and it's just gonna be like coming down like this. So it's gonna be coming down and like the pencil. So it's gonna be coming like that. So and then we're gonna add some teeth right there, and you can add like this thing. It's just like, so it's just gonna be like that. What was that noise? So it's gonna be coming like, so we're gonna have this fleshy thing in the other side. His mouth coming like that. And so I'm gonna have to like fix the top of his mouth. It's kind of not really like that much. It's gonna be like, make like that a bit more. So now I'm just gonna bring this down. Or maybe you can like go like that. And just gonna make it coming like that. So we can erase this part of the, so if I'm going too fast, you can pause the video. So now I'm just gonna so now just gonna be like that. Chairs like whatever. So now it's just gonna come like this. It's just gonna be, you can add like some wrinkles anywhere on it. There. So now like there's like these things that we can add. I don't know, like, so you can add that, and then just gonna, so we're gonna have this part coming up. I'm just gonna be coming back. It's gonna come back like right there, and have another one. Kind of like that. So, just like that. I also feel like I might want to draw the eye right now. So, just gonna be drawing the eye like. Okay, it's gonna be like. That line wasn't supposed to be there, so I'm just gonna make his eye coming like that. So it's just gonna be like, I don't know, I don't think the T-Rex has like a pupil. I don't know, like, so I continue this. I don't know, whatever. So, just gonna erase that so we can like make this coming out that. So now we basically got the T-Rex, his head. So now we can just like start to have his neck coming right there. So it's gonna be like that. And I think now we're ready to start on the Giganotosaurus. So yeah, this is gonna be the same picture I drew last time, so it's gonna be the same picture. Just gonna bring that up there. This is gonna be the same picture I drew last time for the Giganotosaurus. So hopefully I can improve it. So T-Rex is gonna be like that. And now, let's start on the Giganotosaurus. So, it's gonna be, so it's the top of his mouth. It's gonna be like, right here. So, just gonna be like that. And just gonna be like this. And so, just gonna be like, so his mouth is gonna be like, it's gonna be kind of wide open, but I feel like so. No, that's all fine. Just gonna. That's all fine. That's all fine. So. Oh yeah. Oh, I forgot. I'm not actually recording on a paper this video. I'm recording on a thing that holds the paper because I don't have any more big papers, so this is what I'm gonna use. I don't have any more A3 size paper. So, if you hear that disappointment, whatever. So we're just gonna be drawing his teeth. And it's gonna be like that. Okay, I'm looking how I'm drawing this. So gonna be like that, and it's gonna be coming down. So it's just gonna be coming down. Like that. So one thing is, so like, I'm gonna have to like, so I'm gonna be like making this look like it's like a bit more like, it's not like going backwards or anything. So like, I have to like kind of make this even. So yeah, that is okay. Add some teeth. And yeah, like that. And you do this for the other side. So it's gonna be like that. And just use nostril. Add some parts that stick up. So we're gonna have his gum. Use some parts that are ripped. And so just gonna have his, like, this part just coming like that. And just gonna, no world is all that noise, so just, you probably not hear that. So just gonna be like that. And his neck, just gonna kind of start going down like that. And so, yeah. So, just gonna be like that. And it's just gonna go down like that. So, this part's gonna come down. I don't know, so it can just be like that. And it's gonna be like that. Or no. It's gonna be like that. And also, it's gonna be like that too. So it's gonna be like that. This stuff on his neck. just like that. Now, you can just add some, like, kind of be just kind of spiky. So, like, right. Okay, so it's just gonna be, like, yeah, like, just gonna. So, yeah, we've got all that detailed stuff. And so now, yeah, this is surprisingly a really short video. So I'm just gonna no, I don't really have anything else to draw. So yeah, that is it for today's video on how to draw the Giganotosaurus versus D-Rex. And I'll see you in the next one.